After the system is initialized and the sample is aligned, this screen pops up where it says run a program or learn. So I'm selecting learn, and then a file number 9 I'm entering. 0 to 9 files are called general use programs. Here the unit will ask for various parameters of the film, and the data about the substrate can be entered, and this file number becomes the program number and you can run it. So I'm entering 9. And measuring routine, there are different measuring routines for the actual measurement part of the operation, and also there is a calculation routine. So I'm selecting measurement routine as 2, and then calculation routine as 12, and the print format 7, and the serial output format default, and then we can select identity option, whether yes or no. And then lambda is the wavelength. Current wavelength is the wavelength of helium neon laser. So I can select the same or enter any other desired wavelength. This system is capable of 3 wavelengths, 830 nanometers and 405 nanometers and 632 nanometers. So I'll select 8300, and then the angle, which is phi angle, is 70 degrees, and then specimen thickness we'll leave it at 1000, and the film refractive index for cadmium sulfide, that would be 2.8, 2.28. And the substrate refractive index for gallium arsenide is 3.66. And the absorption coefficient is 0.075. Now all the data is entered. Now we press run and enter the program number we have selected, 9, and then enter it. There are general use program numbers available, 10 to 19. They can be accessed using the password 3740, and we can enter any desired programs there as well. And 20 to 35 program numbers are pre-programmed files, and which are explained in the manual here. So this measurement routine I have selected, and the calculation routine. I did calculate the refractive index of the film and gave it as 2.34. So this system can be also used by using program number 70. We can calculate the parameters of substrate parameters such as refractive index and absorption coefficient. So the measured film thickness with this program is 635. I hit continue to double check it. I'm just using the default program 21 and demonstrating how this goes. So we already measured using this system the film thickness, refractive index. So 2.33 So the default program 2.1 is any kind of substrate. That's what I understand from the user manual. So I'm attempting to compare the recipe parameter that I entered and the default parameters. Program 21 takes substrate to be as silicon. So now film thickness is pretty close to what it was with the other program as well. It is 661 angstroms or 66 nanometers.